Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0507, indicates an issue with the idle control system, specifically that the engine's revolutions per minute, RPM, are higher than expected. This code is crucial for the engine management system, which monitors idle speed to ensure the vehicle operates efficiently and within set parameters. For Honda CRV models, from 2017 to 2022, various components influence idle speed, including the idle air control IAC valve, throttle body, and associated sensors. If any of these components malfunction or a vacuum leak occurs, it can lead to elevated idle RPMs. This can create further operational challenges in drivability and emissions. Hence, diagnosing the problem correctly is vital to restore normal vehicle function. The error described by DTC P0507 points to a malfunction in the idle control system, which fails to regulate the engine RPM effectively. The primary components involved include the idle air control IAC valve, which helps manage the air intake during idling, as well as the throttle body and intake manifold. The IAC valve adjusts the airflow to maintain the desired engine speed when the vehicle is in a stationary position. Additionally, a vacuum leak in hoses or connections may disrupt the readings and functionality of these components, leading to higher than normal RPM readings. To locate these components, you'll typically find the IAC valve mounted on or near the throttle body. Understanding the layout will help pinpoint issues more effectively in the diagnostic process. Several potential causes can lead to the triggering of DTC P0507. One primary cause is the presence of vacuum leaks, which can disrupt the air-fuel mixture critical for idle speed control. This can occur at various connection points, such as the PCV hose or intake manifold. Additionally, a faulty idle air control IAC valve may not respond accurately to the engine's demands, thereby failing to regulate the RPM as required. Problems with the throttle body can also manifest as an elevated idle, especially if it's stuck or contaminated. Furthermore, malfunctioning sensors within the engine management system or electrical issues may disrupt signals necessary for maintaining standard operating levels. Given these factors, a methodical approach to troubleshooting is essential. The symptoms associated with DTC P0507 can significantly impact driving quality and vehicle performance. A rough idle often accompanies this code, as the engine RPMs may be inconsistent, causing vibrations felt in the cabin. Elevated RPMs manifest during idle, which not only affects comfort, but can lead to increased fuel consumption, straining the vehicle's economy. Drivers may also experience unstable engine performance, where the vehicle may hesitate or lurch unexpectedly when accelerating from a stop. Furthermore, the check engine light will likely illuminate, prompting the need for diagnostic attention. Recognizing these symptoms early can help address issues before they escalate into more complex repairs. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P0507 involves several critical actions. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine, which activates the onboard diagnostic system. Utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the DTC, allowing for a fresh diagnosis. After clearing the code, start the engine and carefully hold the RPM steady at 3000 for a set duration without load, ensuring the vehicle is in park or neutral. This step is critical to evaluating how the engine behaves under controlled conditions. After this period, monitor the onboard diagnostics (OBD) status for DTC P0507 in the HDS menu. If the HDS indicates failed, it confirms the persistence of the fault, guiding you to the next troubleshooting step. In the second troubleshooting step for DTC P0507, begin by turning the vehicle to the off mode, allowing for safe inspection. The focus here is on checking for vacuum leaks that could affect engine performance. Potential leak points include the positive crankcase ventilation (PCV) valve, PCV hose, the evap canister purge valve, throttle body, intake air duct, and intake manifold. Each of these components plays a role in maintaining the correct air-fuel mixture essential for proper idling. If any leaks are discovered, it is critical to repair or replace the affected parts to restore system integrity. Following repairs, conduct a recheck under different load conditions by activating electrical components like headlights or the blower motor, ensuring that the vehicle operates as intended. Final repair verification is a crucial step, ensuring that all repairs effectively address the issues indicated by DTC P0507. Begin by conducting a test drive to observe the vehicle's performance under real-world conditions. Monitor how the engine behaves, particularly the idle RPM. Utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to check for any persistent DTCs. If the diagnostic tools confirm that DTC P0507 has cleared and the system shows stable RPMs without issues, then repair efforts can be deemed successful. In cases where the DTC has been resolved, remember to clear the DTCs from the system to reset the diagnostics data. It's essential to ensure that the repairs not only resolve the DTC, but also restore optimal engine performance. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding issues related to DTC P0507 and maintaining optimal engine performance. Regularly inspect vacuum hoses for wear, cracks, or loose connections that could cause air leaks. This will help ensure that the air-fuel mixture remains consistent, preventing erratic RPM in the future. It's also essential to clean and inspect the throttle body periodically, as carbon buildup can disrupt airflow and affect engine idle. Monitoring the performance of the idle air control valve is critical since its malfunction can directly trigger this DTC. Additionally, keeping engine sensors functioning properly ensures accurate data feeding into the engine control unit. Finally, scheduling routine diagnostics can catch potential problems early, minimizing repair costs and vehicle downtime. In conclusion, addressing DTC P0507 requires a clear understanding of its implications on vehicle function and performance. Identifying initial symptoms is essential for prompt action, as early intervention can prevent further complications. Following the detailed troubleshooting steps outlined ensures a systematic approach to diagnosing and repairing the issue at hand. Maintenance of key components like vacuum hoses, the throttle body, and the idle air control valve serves as a preventative measure against recurring issues. Finally, confirming the effectiveness of repairs through diligent testing and diagnostics secures optimal vehicle operation, enhancing both safety and drivability. By adhering to these practices, you can help sustain the longevity and performance of your Honda CRV. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!